Considering the Instant Pot Duo Plus? It's the ultimate kitchen upgrade for fast, delicious meals. This 9-in-1 marvel truly transforms your cooking, replacing multiple appliances with one sleek device. Imagine pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, and even making yogurt all in the same pot. Effortless versatility with 15 smart, customizable programs from soup to cake. Perfect results are just a button press away, even for beginners. What makes the Duo Plus stand out is how it simplifies complex recipes, giving you gourmet results without the fuss or mountains of dishes. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and super easy cleanup. A huge time saver. For anyone looking to buy the best kitchen gadget for 2025, this Instant Pot is an absolute game changer. Check out the Amazon link in the description to see current deals. Forget spending hours in the kitchen. This smart pressure cooker delivers convenience and quality every single time. If you want to elevate your cooking experience, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is undoubtedly the kitchen essential you need for 2025.